Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we will learn how to create the folder, how to create the library, how to create the groups and group sets for the EndNote project. So if you have watched my previous video, I hope you have already installed the X7 software. If you haven't done that, just drop me a comment. I will send you the crack version of X7 which you can use for lifetime with instructions. So we will open our EndNote and it will open like this. So just make sure you don't need to update the software because this is crack version, and if you update you need to buy. So we don't want to buy and use lifetime, so just cancel this. Okay, so this is the library already made, but I want to show how to create. So when you have no library, first time you are using, it will be like this, and click on the file, click on new, find the place where you can save. Okay, for example, I want to save here, so I need to create a folder. Okay, once folder is created with any name, you can save. Now you can see that library is created. So this is the library. If it's not open, you can again click on the file, and we have already made the library. You can click on open and open library, and here is the folder where I saved, and click this file, and this is your library. Now we need to create the groups. So on left hand side you can right click, create a group, for example introduction. Okay, now we can create another group which could be for methods, and similarly you can create multiple groups for results. Okay, this could be for one section, and we can create another group set like any maybe paper 2, and similarly you can create the groups production, etc. So this is the way how we can create the groups or group sets in the EndNote. Now I will just close this library and reopen because it's already made. So just close this, and when you open, click on the file, open library, choose the library in your folder and open it. So this is the way how we can create the EndNote library and how we can create the group sets. And in next video I will talk how to download the citations and import the reference into the EndNote. Thank you very much. If you think this video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel.